Hey guys, let's fix this issue together. First of all, right click on this start icon and then click on the task manager. So this solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system. What you need to do, just you have to follow my screen and don't miss any steps. We will fix this issue together. So on the screen, right click on the Windows Explorer and click on restart. So it will take few seconds to complete the all process and restartation, and once done, just close this window, then press Windows key plus R key together to open run, then type here services.msc and hit enter. It will open services window, and then we need to find out the Windows search service. Keep scrolling down and here it is. Right click on it, select properties. Now we need to set startup type as automatic, then click on start and then click on apply and then OK. Again do the same process for Windows Update. Open its properties, set startup type as automatic, click on apply, click on start and then OK. You can also just select this and click on restart the service, and once done, close this window and simply restart your system. You can also check out our pin comment or in a description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. That will be a better way to fix this issue. And yeah, that's it guys. Don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel.